everybody, Bobby Claw here, just checking in. Hey, you know what? I have something really special today I'm really excited to share with you. Summer just is kicking off. Some of the quarantines are lifting and we're able to go outdoors more. But you know what? When it gets warm, I like a little bit healthier. I like to do salads, maybe something a little lighter like wraps and things like that. And I thought, what better way to kick off the summer than a spicy Thai chicken lettuce wrap? Oh my gosh, does that sound good? It's my own recipe. It's gonna be totally original. Guarantee you're gonna love it if you try it. Really looking forward to sharing it with you. So sit back and enjoy the show. Cooking with the Claw starts now. Okay, so for these wraps, what you're gonna wanna have is 3 medium-sized chicken breasts, or maybe 2 large chicken breasts. You're gonna want bean sprouts, probably about a cup to a cup and a half. We're gonna have a cup of cilantro, chopped green onions. We're gonna have a 1/4 of a cup of mayonnaise. You can also use Greek yogurt to be healthier. 1 serrano chili pepper. We're gonna have about a cup of peanuts. We're gonna crush those up as well as peanut butter. Sweet red chili sauce, which you can find in the store, as well as soy sauce, powdered ginger, olive oil, organic hoisin sauce, or just regular hoisin sauce you can find. There are 2 small red peppers. They're sweet peppers. You can also use bell pepper. We also have 4 cloves of fresh garlic peeled. And for the wraps, I have these little taco holders. They're great. The lettuce leaves, which in this case we're using romaine hearts, and you want to find some that are kind of cupped. As you can see, they're kind of deeper ones. Need a bowl for mixing the sauce, pot or pan or wok or any kind of saucepan, larger size. Okay, so first up, what we're gonna do is we're gonna chop up our chicken breast. And you wanna get this really as chopped up small pieces as possible. Just about as tiny as you can get it. You can also use ground chicken, which would work as well. I'm just using a whole chicken breast chopped up to make it a little bit chunkier, but not much. You want to get this again pretty chopped up good, as small as pieces as possible. It's definitely easier to cut cooked chicken as opposed to raw chicken, but this is nice. If you got nice little pieces there, it's perfect. You can use a package of ground chicken, would work just as well. Let's take our large glass bowl and place the chicken in there. It's gonna be so good, I'm so excited. As we add our ingredients for the sauce, we're gonna mix it all together with the chicken and kind of like marinate it, and then we're gonna add it to the pan to cook. Let's take our cilantro and just add it in there. Get it all in there. On the green onion, about the cup and a half, let's do about half of that into there. We'll save some extra to put on top as a topping. As well, we'll put the bean sprouts in, just like so. Okay, so I went ahead and I chopped up really finely our 4 cloves of garlic. Let's add those into the mix. For the powdered ginger, you're gonna want just about a tablespoon. Ginger goes really nice in these sort of dishes. 2 tablespoons of, this is light soy sauce. I like the reduced sodium. We're gonna do 3 tablespoons of the organic hoisin sauce. And then our sweet red chili sauce. You can find it in the sauce aisle, usually where they have the soy sauces and things. We're gonna do 3 tablespoons of this. It's so good as well. Okay, so now we're gonna chop up our serrano pepper. These can be they can be pretty warm. This is where our spice is gonna come in for the dish. Gotta be careful not to.
Oh man, you're killing me.
Cut my hand off. What I'm gonna do to avoid having it be extra spicy, you see when I open it up, it's got the seeds in there. So just go ahead, just kind of clean the seeds right out. That'll help it be spicy, but it's not gonna send the family running for the milk. my kitchen, so. And then just chop it up, tiny pieces. This is gonna give some nice little bit of spiciness and heat. We're gonna add it right in to our mix. And then also on these sweet red peppers, you wanna use 2 of them. And they're small, they aren't hot, these are sweet. But at the same time, you don't want to have a bunch of seeds in there. I'm gonna cut these in like little strips, kind of. Just like so. I'm gonna brush the rest of the seeds off. Okay, we're gonna add those in. A little bit of flavor, but also a little bit of color to the dish. We're gonna add our 1/4 of a cup of mayonnaise or Greek yogurt. For this dish today, we're using mayonnaise, and this is gonna help make it nice and thick on the sauce. For a little bit more moisture in there, and also for help cooking, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of olive oil. What we're gonna do is take 2 spoons and just work everything together. Oh my gosh, you guys, this smells amazing. It's gonna be so good. Nice dish for a hot summer day. You know, a little bit on the healthier side. With the exception of the mayonnaise, like I said, you could totally use, you know, fat-free Greek yogurt, which is also really good. Spicy Asian chicken lettuce wraps, yum-alicious. I'm telling you. And then our last ingredient is a tablespoon of creamy peanut butter. This is gonna give it a really nice peanutty taste. Now, if you have a peanut allergy, obviously you wanna, you know, ixnay on the peanut nay, but if you don't, it really makes it nice. Okay, let's get this in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes and bring it out and fire it up. Let's go ahead and dump our peanuts. These are whole peanuts, and they're dry roasted. There's no salt on these. Put them into a Ziploc bag tightly with no air. And just take your trusty rolling pin. Well, it's just about time to cook the chicken. And you know what I felt I needed? I'm hot. Oh my gosh, I've been mixing this and it's hot out today. Hot summer day here in SoCal. You know what tastes good? A lime White Claw on the rocks. Let's get started on the chicken. I'm gonna turn our pan on. Add just about a tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, so here's our chicken with our sauce. We're just gonna put it right in. And we're just gonna cook it until the chicken is nice and well done. Turn up our heat to about medium-high. I'm so excited. I think Caroline's gonna love it. Let's put the lid on for just a minute. Get it kind of cooking within. Amelia, my bird, is in the corner. She's supervising. And she's telling me right now, it smells so good, Daddy, I want some. Save me a bite. So also what you're gonna wanna do, once you're done cooking, is let it set for a little bit. You don't wanna put the hot mixture, too hot anyway, into the lettuce. Otherwise it'll just wilt and go to nothing. It's starting to thicken up real nice here. Just about there. Okay, so we're gonna turn the heat off. We're just gonna let this sit, let it thicken up even more and cool down.
Yum-alicious. OMG.
Okay, so this is our mixture. What you're gonna do is take a spoonful, just like that, put it right into the lettuce wrap. Yummy, oh my gosh, this looks good. Let's get a little extra chicken in that one. Maybe a little piece of red pepper, yes. Okay, Next up, we're gonna take a little bit of our green onion. Just top a little bit on there, tiny bit. And then a little bit of peanuts for texture and taste. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. What do you guys think? Let's try one. These have so much flavor, and the crunchiness with the peanuts on top. You got a little bit of spice in there with the serranos. You guys are gonna love this one. But you know what? I'm just so glad you guys came along for the ride today. We had a great time. Hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you'll try it out. I love you guys, and I'll hope to see you soon. And be sure and like this video if you enjoyed it by clicking the thumbs up, and subscribe, share, whatever you like to do on that. I would appreciate all of it, and I do appreciate the support and the love. So you guys have a great day, and I'll be seeing you really soon. And just remember one thing: when food is this good, it should really be against the law. You've been cooking with the claw. Have a great day. See you soon.